Your car throws a warning light, stumbles between gears, or idles like it's on its last breath, and the shop wants hundreds just to tell you what's wrong. Here's the kicker. In most cases, nothing's actually broken. The system's just confused and begging for a reset. You don't want to miss it. But here's a secret that dealerships and high-priced mechanics are terrified you'll discover. In up to 80% of these cases, absolutely nothing is mechanically broken. Your car isn't dying, it's just confused. Modern vehicles are essentially high-powered computers on wheels. And just like your smartphone or your laptop, those computers can glitch, freeze, and get stuck with bad data from a weak battery, a temporary sensor hiccup, or years of stop-and-go traffic. Today, I'm going to walk you through 7 powerful, completely free reset tricks that you can perform in your own driveway in under 5 minutes. These resets can restore your car's factory-fresh performance, clear ghost fault codes, and save you thousands of dollars in unnecessary repairs. And make sure you stay until the very end, because the #1 reset on this list is a genuine industry secret for dead keys that even veteran mechanics keep to themselves. Let's dive in. Reset number 3, the ABS warning light false alarm reset. Seeing the ABS light on your dash is terrifying because it feels like your brakes are failing. While you should always be cautious, this light is often triggered by a glitch. Perhaps a bit of road debris temporarily blocked a sensor, or a low battery caused a communication error. The reset procedure: open your car's fuse box, usually found under the hood. Locate the fuse for the ABS or ESC system using the diagram on the lid. Pull the fuse out and leave it there for at least 15 minutes. This cuts power to the ABS module, forcing it to dump any stored error codes. Reinsert the fuse and drive the car slowly for a few minutes. If the problem was just a temporary glitch, the light will disappear, saving you a massive diagnostic fee at the shop. Reset number 2, electric power steering calibration. On modern cars, hydraulic steering has been replaced by electric power steering. If you've recently changed your battery or jump-started the car, the steering might suddenly feel incredibly heavy or stiff. This happens because the steering module has lost its center position. It literally doesn't know where straight is anymore. The reset procedure: turn the ignition to the on position, engine off. Slowly turn the steering wheel all the way to the left until it hits the lock and hold it there for 5 seconds. Now, turn it all the way to the right until it hits the lock and hold it for 5 seconds. Return the wheel to the dead center position. Start the engine. This lock-to-lock movement recalibrates the sensors, and you should feel the steering become light and effortless again immediately. Reset number 1, the immobilizer and key fob handshake. This is the big one. You hop in your car, turn the key, and nothing. The engine won't even try to crank. You might see a small key icon or a security light flashing on the dash. Most people assume the starter motor is dead or the engine is seized, leading to a massive towing and repair bill. In reality, your car has simply forgotten its digital handshake with your key. It thinks you're trying to steal it, so it has locked the ignition. This reset reestablishes that trust. The master reset procedure: insert your key into the ignition and turn it to the on position. Look at the flashing security light on the dash. You must be patient. Leave the key in this position for exactly 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, the light should stop flashing and stay solid or turn off. Turn the key to off and wait for 30 seconds. You must repeat this entire cycle 3 times in a row, totaling 30 minutes. On the 3rd attempt, turn the key to the start position. The engine will roar to life. This procedure forces the car to relearn the security code from the key fob. You just saved yourself the $500 a dealership would charge for a reprogramming fee. There you have it, powerful, free car resets that put the power back in your hands. Remember, car companies want you to be dependent on their service centers, but a little bit of knowledge can save you a fortune. If even one of these resets worked for you today, please do me a huge favor. Hit that like button. It helps this video reach other drivers who are struggling with repair bills. And if you want to become the master of your own vehicle, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. We're constantly releasing new mechanic-approved secrets that the pros don't want you to know. Drop a comment below and let me know which reset worked for your car. Until next time, keep your car running smooth and stay safe on the road.